What happens when tradition meets modern life? In today's This versus That, we explore how Zulu customs are evolving, from how we eat to how we greet. Are we losing our roots or blending them with today's world? Let's find out. Let's first look at the eating culture. We sit on the mats, eat together from shared dishes, usually using our hands. The eldest gets served first. Modern way is using dining tables, individual plates, and sometimes phones at the table. What does this shift say about our values around family, unity, and respect? Now we're gonna look at dressing, traditional Zulu attire. Beaded accessories, amabheshu, isphandla, and colorful fabrics are worn with pride. And now, in modern days, jeans, sneakers, hoodies dominate, except during ceremonies. So, are we saving tradition for special days or forgetting it altogether? Greetings and respect. Ukukhothama, kneeling or crouching when greeting elders, especially for women. In modern days, we say hey or hi, sometimes even forgetting to greet at all. So, here's the question that remains. What do our greetings say about who we are becoming? Last but not least, let's look at the language. Speaking fluent isiZulu at home, proverbs, idioms, and storytelling. And in today's world, we usually mix isiZulu and English. You'd mostly hear us saying, I think kuzohambeka, maybe ngizohamba kusasa. Language is the soul of culture. Are we nurturing it or letting it fade? The truth is, we can embrace the new without erasing the old. Culture isn't just clothing or customs. It's a way of seeing the world. So, this or that, maybe it's both if we are intentional. Questions that remain. Are we losing something sacred when we trade the old for the new? Does modernization mean progress, or are we slowly forgetting who we are? Can tradition and modern life truly coexist? Or is it always one or the other? Drop your thoughts in the comments, this or that. And if you love exploring culture, identity, and the Zulu way of life, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More stories, more traditions, more real conversations coming your way. Ngiyabonga, nisale kahle.